Hi everybody, it is Sharon Lindley from Vivid Days. Today's video is the last video in the Mother Nature theme and we are working on dominoes. This is the same colours that I've used in my keyrings and my bauble. If you've not seen those videos, you're thinking, Sharon, what are you talking about? Click the link and you will be able to see those videos. Different ideas that are creative, fun, simple, effective and may be helpful for you for gifts or on your stall selling them yourself. But I am so in the zone with these and I'm getting so much satisfaction from them. We are going to be using resin, alcohol inks, some of the gold powder, and you're going to need some molds for your dominoes, silicone mold. And I also add a little bit of a red velvet cushion underneath just to add that little pop of class to the dominoes. Mainly so that you can't see any patterns or shapes. That's going to give you an idea what that domino is. So it makes it fair for everybody. You've got to play fair with dominoes. For this video, you'll see I pour my resin. I sit it in the mold. It's probably 3/4 full. I just let it sit there so that the bubbles can come away, and you'll see me going in there just removing the odd ones. I, as a long-term resin artist, I've decided to embrace the bubbles. I don't go for perfection, I go for creativity and fun, and that has helped remove some of the blockers or barriers that I've recently had with working with resin. These are handmade, one-of-a-kind dominoes. People will appreciate the effort, the love and care that's gone in there. And if you explain that there are going to be some natural air bubbles in your dominoes, they will embrace them too. Gives them character. That's what I say. So embrace. Yes, I've got some of these things that remove the bubbles and some people want them crystal clear. The stress is not worth it. I'm just going to enjoy the process. So that's my truth with you all. With the inks, for me, is knowing when to stop. When is enough ink to make it drop and create that beautiful effects? How much white do you apply and in what order? Now, other people that's been doing this for ages probably know, but for me, it was exploring and getting that effect. And I love the surprise that you don't know what it's going to look like until you turn them over and reveal it to yourself. Every one of these has a beautiful effect in it. And that's what I love. It's not all those different dominoes looking exactly the same. There's beauty within them all. Not perfect, but beauty within them all. You'll see I sprinkle ink powder. Don't know what that is. I sprinkle ink powder at the end. Now that's to cover the gaps because alcohol will disperse and then it will come back and it will create some natural effects. And I wanted that because I wanted them to be depth and the gold to come through. Where you see me mixing gold within the resin, that makes it harder so it will sink. And that's what's created those tiny little islands. Any one of these stages are optional. You may not want to create your little islands. You may want to just keep the alcohol inks pure as it is. And that's up to you. That's your choice, the artist's choice. But I enjoyed the colour schemes on this and it all coming together. Once it was all cured, I topped the dominoes with white resin just to create a neutral flat effect, which wouldn't show you, is this a 6 and 6 or 6 and 5? I didn't know at this stage that I was going to add my velour or velvet reverse sticky. What am I trying to say? Peel off the back, sticky with glue, you stick your domino on and you cut around it and then you have a classy domino, which is not going to scratch your tables or the table's not going to scratch your domino and there's going to be no telltale signs as to what domino is under what piece. Anyway, I'm Sharon, I've digressed. So enjoy this process. Hopefully this invokes some ideas for you. If it has, please consider giving me that thumbs up, like, share, comments are always welcome. If this has invoked something creativity with you, let me know what that is because that's what helps me keep sharing with you. But I'm on a mission. I'm creating lots of supplies for some craft fairs and some stalls and some selling on my own website. So I'm really excited about working on these and I hope that you're excited with me. And it's great to be back. It's great to be in my art zone and really finding my zen and my work-life balance with this. So on that, relax, pull up a chair, have a cuppa or a coffee, whichever ones you fancy. Take off your shoes, pull your feet up and just watch this creative process and hopefully you will relax the same way I did creating these. Much love. See you on the next video. Bye bye.